Is it time to buy or sell Nebius Group N.v stock? In this video, we will explore Nebius Group N.v in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 10th of June, 2025, and we are here now to provide a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 1st of May 2025, our system has ranked Nebius Group N.v as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.99. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 119.48% since we first listed Nebius Group N.v as a buy candidate 28 days ago. This translates to an average return of 4.27% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper part of a wide and robust rising trend in the short term. This situation often presents a compelling selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is to be expected. A breakout above the top trend line at $52.91 would indicate a stronger rate of increase. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 64.66% over the next 3 months, with possible returns between 0.231% and 65.91%. Considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 54.81%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 31.37% to positive 55.23% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $36.04 and $81.51. Our latest daily update for Nebius Group N.v includes the headline: Nebius Group N.v stock downgraded to buy candidate. The Nebius Group N.v stock price decreased by approximately 0.133% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 10th of June, 2025, falling from $52.58 to $52.51. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 6.93%, with a low of $49.18 and a high of $52.59. Overall, the price has seen ups and downs in this period, resulting in a gain of 31.87% over the last 2 weeks. On the last trading day, the volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should correlate with stock movement. Specifically, trading volume fell by 12 million shares, with a total of 22 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.14 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $55.04, while the lowest was $14.09. Currently, the stock price is 4.6%, or $2.53, below the 52-week high of $55.04, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Nebius Group, trading under the ticker NBIS, has recently experienced explosive growth and is firmly positioned in the competitive AI infrastructure sector, particularly in light of its backing by Nvidia Corporation. Over the past week, shares surged over 40%, following a stunning 62% increase in May. Investors are taking notice as Nebius is becoming a leading player alongside competitors like CoreWeave and Navitas, both also aligned with Nvidia's expansive ambitions in the AI space. Notably, Nebius has raised $1 billion in convertible notes, showcasing its capacity to capitalize on the booming AI market, alongside a remarkable 385% year-over-year revenue growth in the first quarter. Management forecasts substantial run-rate revenue increases, potentially hitting between $750 million and $1 billion by year, which could support a sustained upward trajectory in stock performance. While the company is currently valued similarly to Nvidia, the market is yet to see its profitability, which adds an element of uncertainty. However, with positive momentum from recent bullish analyst coverage, alongside sectors emphasizing increasing demand for AI infrastructure. Sentiment remains high. In the short term, continued growth and favorable analyst sentiment may drive NBIS stock prices higher, while long-term sustainability will heavily depend on the company's ability to maintain its growth trajectory and eventually achieve profitability. Investors should keep a close watch on Nebius Group as it navigates this rapidly evolving landscape, as its performance could heavily influence stock valuation going forward. Analysts have assigned Nebius Group N.v stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Nebius Group N.v. The stock of Nebius Group N.v. presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $44.62 and $33.80. A decline below any of these levels could trigger sell signals. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near-term development of the stock. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, the 9th of June, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 0.133%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is an active sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which diminishes overall risk, as typically, volume should align with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 154 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 29 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 29 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 35 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 22 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 13 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nebius Group N.v. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $48.28 and $46.30. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Nebius Group N finds support just below today's level at $48.28. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $46.30 and $39.39. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. Over the last day, this stock moved $3.41 between its high and low, which is a change of 6.93%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 10.79%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Nebius Group N.v., let's quickly examine some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can encounter downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative P/E ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could imply risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 28th of July, 2025. Analysts predict consensus estimates of negative $0.410. It is crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nebius Group N.v. In the event of an upward trend, The first resistance level for Nebius Group N.v. is at $52.58. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nebius Group N.v. encounters its first support level at $48.28. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $50.68, which represents a decline of 3.49%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. Recently, a sell signal was generated from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Nebius Group N.v. stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally favorable trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Nebius Group N.v. stock to perform well in the short term. However, due to some minor weaknesses observed in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion for this stock from a strong buy to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 11th of June, we anticipate that Nebius Group N.v. will open lower by $1.08, beginning at a price of $51.43. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Please do not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.